Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is just going to be a little quick cleanup here. My room is the one that needs the most love right now. I have laundry to put up. I have things to organize. As you can see, my dresser is over here now. If you hear that banging, we are getting a new roof, so they are up there making a lot of noise and I'm so sorry about that. But we finally sold this glass table that was here, so I went ahead and moved the dresser over here. It doesn't look like I want it to look. My husband does not love it because the desk is in the way, this filing cabinet, all this has to stay here because this is where I work and this is where I want my computer. I don't want my Mac outside just because I don't want, when I work, I need silence. I can't, we have a desk outside in the living area, but I just cannot put my stuff there because I need to have my space. So, and we don't have an extra room for an office. Hopefully we're in the works for that as well. But that is where this is right now. And then here is the mirror. This has to go upstairs, but it's too big, so I might wait for my husband to do that. And then I need to declutter some nightstands. Well, my nightstand and my husband's, but I don't know if I'm going to include that in this video. If it is not in this video, it will definitely be in the next one. But you guys, look at this, is just insane. So yeah, I have a lot to do in this room, so I might make this just a quick little cleanup in here. I have to do the bathroom as well. And then I have to work in the kitchen and a little bit in the living area, and then I might include some cooking in this video. I'm not sure. We have some shrimp that we bought at Publix and we have not used it, so I'm going to kind of make up and whip up a dish. I don't have any dish planned, so we'll see how that turns out. But let's go ahead and get it started because, like I said, I have a lot to do and it is already noon, so the decluttering actually might have to take a back seat. So now that I think about it, oh my gosh, that banging is so loud. Let's go ahead and get right into the cleaning. Okay, you guys, this day was very, very difficult for me. I woke up with a slight headache that eventually turned into a migraine, and I just could not get myself motivated this morning. So I decided to go ahead and get in the shower. While I was in there, my shower needed some love, so I went ahead and just cleaned up that whole entire shower. That is why it's not on camera for you guys, because I was actually in the shower. So when I finished cleaning that, I went ahead and showered, washed my hair, just really took my time and kind of just pampered myself a little bit. And then I went ahead and blow dried my hair, got dressed, and I decided to go ahead and clean up this bedroom because it really needed it. Then I went into the kitchen and the living room, but I was so unmotivated, you guys. But we all have those days when we just feel so blah, but I knew I had to get this stuff done because I am off for 3 days, but I do work 2 days. So I knew that my days were coming and I did not want to leave the house a mess. And that is my dog there telling me she wanted to go outside. She was not happy. We have roofers outside and we didn't want to let her outside because they're just chunking stuff from the roof and we didn't want her to be in people's way or step on nails or anything like that. But I decided to go ahead and clean up this day, and actually after I was done, I felt pretty good. Besides, just the headache was awful, but I felt really good that I got my room done and the kitchen and living room. And I did not end up cooking anything big. I did make that shrimp that I talked about in the beginning of the video, but I didn't make anything major, and I did not want to put that on camera because I was just not feeling it, you guys. I was just doing it to do it, get it done, feed the kids, feed my husband, and then go lay down. And that is exactly what I did on this day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below.
know that I hate this game. You apologize, always say that you're sorry, but why does it feel the same? I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I do whatever you want me to do. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. Please don't tell me lies, just say what you're thinking. Stop playing all these games. You apologize, always say that you're sorry, but why does it feel the same? It's like nothing's changed. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I do whatever you want me to do. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. Baby, I'm the fool. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with.
All right, everything is done in here. I am still waiting on Ben's to put all that stuff up. That is Bella's tennis ball. She brought it in here, but the room is pretty much done. Quick little pickup here. Bathroom, same thing. Everything is clean, good to go. I already cleaned the shower today, so I'm excited about that because it was definitely needed. But all this is clean, and now I'm going to head over to the living area and tidy up over there and hopefully do a little bit of cooking. I did not declutter. I decided to leave that alone because I realized this dresser needs some decluttering, and then this desk area definitely needs some help. So this is my husband's GoPro stuff, and then all this has to be gone through, my car keys and my water that I've been drinking, and we have to go through that. So I decided to go ahead and wait to declutter all this stuff until all my bins get here. That is finally going to go up there. I couldn't move the mirror because it is too heavy, and that has to go up to the attic, so might as well just leave it there until my husband gets here. That way we can take that upstairs. But now, like I said, we're going to head off to the living area.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay guys, and here is a keto pumpkin mug cake. I found it on YouTube. I will link the recipe down below. It was really good. Obviously it's not like a real pumpkin muffin or pumpkin cake. It is a keto version, but my son and my husband actually liked it, and my husband's not a fan of my keto desserts. I think he only likes I think I make like a lemon pound cake, like a keto lemon pound cake, but he actually liked it and my son actually liked it, which that was really shocking to me, but I'll link this down below. It was really good. I just wanted something, I don't know, I was feeling like I wanted something sweet, and of course I'm on keto, so I don't want that extra sugar and the carbs and all that, you know, great stuff that we all want, but some of us just can't have. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
As you drive, do you know I'm looking?